Hi, welcome back for the fifth day of our excellent mini project all about eggs. While there wasn't a video lesson for lesson 4, you were asked to summarize some of the things that you learned this week while doing the egg activity. So here are some things that you guys have learned that you may have documented in your journal yesterday on Thursday. So far, by candling eggs and dissecting them, we've learned that fertilized eggs could hatch into chickens or other animals. Unfertilized eggs do not hatch into chickens, and these are the ones we get in the store to eat. We can candle an egg to see if it's fertilized or not, as well as keep track of an egg's development. If an egg is fertilized, we can usually see a dark spot in blood vessels starting to form after a few days. If the egg is not fertilized, the light glows right through to the end, and occasionally we can see the air sac. There are a lot more parts to an egg than you probably first noticed. The different parts of an egg all do different things for the developing chick. And the shell of an egg actually has pores that let things like air and moisture in and out. And it's the yolk of the egg that grows into the chicken. So for this final and fifth activity for our egg project, it's time to take it further with an investigation of your choice. So here are 4 more things that you could do to learn more about eggs. You can expand on the learning in a lot of ways right at home. So here are some ideas. This is not a list that you're limited to, and if you have other ideas, just let me know. So you could do a special project on cooking eggs and describe how they change both physically and chemically during cooking. You can cook with eggs and learn more about why we use eggs when we bake. There's going to be a really cool website linked for you to check out if this interests you. It's called The Science of Cooking. There's a whole web page on the science of eggs and cooking, and there are a lot of things that you can check out there. You can do some more investigation at an egg's nutritional label. You can find this on the egg carton, and if it's not on the egg carton, you can certainly find it online and learn more about which parts of the egg contain mostly protein or fat and which parts of the egg are most beneficial for our diets. And my favorite, the last one listed here, is pretty cool. It takes a little bit of time, but you can actually soak an egg in vinegar to see what happens to the shell. And this activity is outlined in the website here called Try Making a Naked Egg. It's pretty cool. So this last activity is kind of like our culminating project product, and it might take you more than one day, and that's okay. You can submit in one of 3 ways to me in Echo. You can simply write observations and tell me about what you did, what you learned, what you saw. It can simply be a typed document that you can copy and paste right here into Echo. If you're feeling creative, you can do a video of the activity you did and upload a shareable link. Or if you're doing something that requires you to look at something over time, like for instance, the egg and the vinegar, you can show me a slideshow documenting your investigation with words, diagrams, pictures, and in that case, you just upload a shareable link. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what else you're learning about eggs, and you can submit this anytime you get to it, and I will be commenting on the activities that you submit. So I hope you enjoyed this egg project this week, and stay tuned next week. We'll have something else fun and exciting.